Before we dive into these life-changing tricks, here's a quick question. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to defy aging when it comes to their performance? If yes, let me know in the comments below. Now, let's get to the first trick. Trick 1. Prioritize cardiovascular health. Good sex begins with good blood flow. According to a study published in the American Journal of Medicine, regular aerobic exercises like walking or swimming can improve circulation and significantly reduce erectile dysfunction in men and boost arousal in women over 50. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity 5 times a week. It's not just good for your heart, but also for your libido. Think of it this way: a healthy heart is your secret weapon in the bedroom. Trick 2. The power of communication. Do you know the biggest mistake couples make as they age? They stop talking openly about their needs. A groundbreaking study from the Kinsey Institute revealed that couples who regularly communicate about their desires are 70% more likely to report satisfaction in their intimate lives. Try a weekly relationship check-in. It's a safe space to share your feelings and reignite your passion. Remember, intimacy starts outside the bedroom. Here's a quick thought. When was the last time you had an honest conversation with your partner about what makes you happy? Share your experience below. Trick 3. Don't ignore the role of hormones. As we age, our hormone levels naturally decline, and that can affect libido and performance. But here's the science-backed solution: hormone replacement therapy, HRT. Research published in the journal Endocrine Reviews shows that safe, physician-monitored HRT can restore vitality and even improve sexual function in people over 50. Consult your doctor to explore natural or medical options for hormone balance. Even small lifestyle changes like better sleep and reducing stress can do wonders. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insights like this. Your best days are still ahead. Let's make them unforgettable.